Welcome to Lesson 12. Before we begin, a quick note about this course. These lessons are designed to be listened to in the background while you work inside DxO PhotoLab on your own computer. Think of them as guided audio lessons that you can follow along with at your own pace. If you prefer more visual screen-recorded tutorials, you'll find plenty of those on my channel as well. Also, DxO PhotoLab is free to use for 30 days, which gives you more than enough time to work through this course and see if it's a good fit for your workflow. If you decide it is, I'm offering 15% off DxO software, and you'll find that link in the description below. Now, make sure you have DxO PhotoLab open. In this lesson, we're going to look at ClearView Plus. ClearView Plus is one of DxO PhotoLab's most popular features because it can instantly add clarity, depth, and definition to an image. It's particularly useful for photographs that look a little soft, flat, or hazy. Before we begin, let's find the tool. At the top left of DxO PhotoLab, click on Customize. Then, look over to the right-hand side of the screen and open the Light palette. Inside the Light palette, you'll find ClearView Plus. Expand the section if necessary. So what does ClearView Plus actually do? The easiest way to think about it is as a haze reduction and detail enhancement tool. It helps cut through atmospheric haze, mist, and softness, while increasing local contrast throughout the image. This can make landscapes look clearer, cityscapes appear more defined, and travel photographs feel more vibrant. A good example would be a mountain scene photographed on a slightly hazy day. The photograph may look perfectly acceptable, but the distant detail appears soft and lacking in contrast. Applying a small amount of ClearView Plus can often make those distant areas appear much clearer. You'll usually notice more separation between tones, improved local contrast, better definition, increased detail throughout the image. One thing to remember is that ClearView Plus is quite powerful. A small adjustment can often make a big difference. My advice is to start gently and build up gradually. One mistake beginners often make is pushing the slider too far. Too much ClearView Plus can make an image look unnatural, overly processed, or harsh. As with many editing tools, subtle adjustments often produce the best results. It's also important to understand that ClearView Plus is not the same as sharpening. Sharpening works on edges and fine details. ClearView Plus affects the overall clarity and separation throughout the image. The two tools can work together, but they perform different jobs. A simple workflow might look like this. Apply smart lighting first. Adjust exposure if needed. Apply a small amount of ClearView Plus. Then continue with contrast color and sharpening. This usually creates a balanced and natural-looking result. For this lesson, open a landscape, travel image, or cityscape, and experiment with the ClearView Plus slider. Move it further than you normally would so you can clearly see what it does. Then, bring it back to a more natural setting. The goal isn't to create the strongest effect. The goal is understanding when the image starts to benefit from the adjustment. The main thing I want you to take away from this lesson is that ClearView Plus can quickly improve clarity and detail in many photographs, especially landscapes and travel images, but it works best when used with restraint. In the next lesson, we'll look at cropping and composition and learn how small changes to framing can dramatically improve a photograph. Don't forget to subscribe to Simon DxO for more tutorials. And if there's something you'd like me to cover in a future lesson, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. I'll see you in Lesson 13.